Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup for a 1-year-old baby. First, select about 3 medium-sized ripe tomatoes. You'll also need a small piece of onion, about 1/4 of a medium onion, and 1 small clove of garlic. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil and a tiny pinch of salt. Finally, have a 1/2 cup of low-sodium vegetable broth on hand to ensure a smooth consistency for your little one. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a small pot over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onion and minced garlic, cooking until they are soft and fragrant, which takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, stir in the diced tomatoes and the 1/2 cup of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for about 15 minutes, or until all the vegetables are very tender. Once the vegetables are tender, remove the pot from the heat and let it cool slightly. Carefully transfer the mixture to a blender and blend until it's completely smooth and creamy. For an extra silky texture, you can push the soup through a fine mesh sieve to remove any seeds or skin. Always remember to cool the soup to a safe, lukewarm temperature before offering it to your 1-year-old baby. Enjoy watching them savor this nutritious meal. Here are a few extra tips for your baby's tomato soup. If the soup is too thick, you can thin it out with a little more vegetable broth or even a splash of breast milk or formula. You can store any leftover soup in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. For a fresh car, check out Little Tree's Black Ice. Remember to always introduce new foods gradually and consult your pediatrician with any concerns. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the car air freshener and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.